Good evening, passengers. I feel like that Star Wars episodes, you know, where they go up after the credits and now we're going down. Just going to randomise it. We are at Derby Midland and we are taking a trip down to London for today. It is going to be dark by the time I get on the train, so let's see what we can see out the window and in the train itself. But the Meridians are going from next year, so we're just going to document some Meridian stuff. Anyway, cue the intro. Welcome passengers, MegaSim here with a Train Real World episode. As mentioned, we are heading down in the evening down to London because I've got a busy week in London and other places. So I'm going down Sunday afternoon, late afternoon, evening to make sure that I get everything done with my customers, setting them all up. So yeah, heading down to the centre of London now. And yeah, the Meridians are going to be going soon. One has already gone to Lumo to do some test journeys up to Stirling and London Euston and all of that. I don't know the exact places it's going, but it's being spotted along the West Coast Main Line. And I'm going to take a little photo of that. Just give me 1 second. So we are going to be getting the Auroras from next year. I think there's one still in the depot at Etches Park. And yeah, and funnily enough, I am staying in the Capsule Hotel. Yes, I am. I did 2 nights in October, and this time I'm doing 3 nights. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, coming out Wednesday. Hey, look, it's very reasonable and I can do it. I can cope with it. I think when I said on the last one night is probably maximum to actually cope with it. But you know what? You know, it's 100 quid for the 3 nights. Whereas if I do it in a hotel, it's going to be a lot more than that. So that's how I view it. Anyway, our train is coming in 10 minutes. It's the 16:28, but it's going to arrive at 16:22. So yeah, let's have a look. Oh, 16:28, London St Pancras. If there's anything else coming on the track, I'll be sure to show you guys. But before we do that, I just wanted to go down the end of the platform, just in case there's anything in the depot, because by the time we depart, it will probably, look, there's loads of these arriving soon stickers. By the time we depart, it might be too dark to look outside. Also, these Meridians are, I say, showing their age. The maintenance is awful. They are dirty, they're filthy, they've not been cleaned again for a while. So those windows might be blown. There are a few windows that you see and you just can't see a thing out of them because they're so dirty and the dirt's got in between the glazing, and yeah, you just can't see a thing. So yeah, we're heading down to the end of the platform, just to Etches Park. There's a weird tent thing that's appeared there. I've not seen that before. But yeah, we'll look at the end. Oh, look, Hitachi. There's the Hitachi logo because everything's turning into Hitachi. Even Lara is turned into a Hitachi depot. But yeah, we'll have a look and then head back and wait for our train.
The next train to arrive at platform 5A will be the 16:15 East Midlands Railway.
So yeah, I can't see through there. I can't even remember that being there. So yeah, can't see through there today. You got a Meridian down there. And yeah, let's head back because there's a 2-car service arriving on platform 5A. Is it a 170 or is it a 158? Well, we will soon find out. It's just the 170, 508 there. Come from Matlock. So that's probably what my train's stuck behind, because yeah, it's arriving a couple of minutes late. Yeah, that's a non-updated inside version of a 170 there.
Good afternoon and welcome to customers joining us at Derby 1628 East Midlands Railway service route to St Pancras in London. Next stage called Long Eaton. Remind you on coach G will need to move forward to a line due to a short platform. Doors on coach G will not open for safety. Down to East Midlands Parkway, Loughborough, Leicester and St Pancras in London for 1809.
Also, the engines aren't running in this coach, so it is silent. It's Sunday, there's no offering. I've got a free bottle of water. I got a good deal with this anyway for the first class upgrade, but they're now checking tickets. But yeah, no engine at all on at the back. It's so quiet, it's weird. Is there problems with these Meridians? What are they going to do when they go to Lumo? We'll find out. Not sure what's coming through on the sound, but yeah, you've got the noise of the wheels and the outside, but no engine. Yeah, it feels weird. I've moved because I was in this one, and the person didn't have an upgrade, so they've moved. I think they've come back, but I wanted a better view out the window, so I nicked this one. It's weird, and it's so quiet that the guard is in the back, I believe. And I even heard this, don't forget to lock the door. Never heard that before. It's so quiet that I can hear the announcements that they get in the back. Wow. Ah, the Ratcliffe power station. And I think they've not got the planning permission to keep them. They have to demolish them, so that'll be happening soon. East Midlands Parkway. So coming into Loughborough. And on the Sunday you don't get the complimentary food and stuff, but you do get a free drink. So I've got my bottle of water, which is over there. And yeah, you do get a free drink as well, or complimentary included. So I had to go down to Coach D because it's got stuck. It's really busy today, so I'm actually quite grateful that I did get that cheeky upgrade, because if not, I'd be standing the whole way down. That would have meant that I would have got a refund. Nah, never mind. But yeah, got a nice cup of tea that I'm going to drink. I know it's PG, not Yorkshire, but hopefully when this comes under DFT, they might redo it all and give us all Yorkshire tea for once. But yeah, Loughborough, Brush. There's a couple of HSTs there at the moment. Not sure what's going on with them, but we'll soon find out early next year. Yeah, I do find this really odd, it being so quiet. I've just got to document it being so quiet. But yeah, we're stopping at Leicester and then onward to London St Pancras non-stop. But yeah, as you can see, it's very dark out there. So it's going to be difficult to see what's in the depot there. As you can see, I can see something. 769s, there we go. I just about saw it there. 47 there. Cross country 170s. Yeah. As much as I can see myself. I was just thinking, it's not exactly like it, but it feels like I'm on a Mark III. Because all I've got is the noise of the wheels and the suspension and things, not the motor itself. So it feels like I'm on HST, but not, because you would usually have the of like the springs and stuff. But it's close enough. Well, we're now coming into London St Pancras. Yeah, it's pitch black out there. It's very little you can see, but we're coming in. What are we coming in? We're coming in about 5 minutes behind. Not 15 minutes, so we don't get delayed. We pay annoyingly, but you know, what can you do? Yeah, coming in now, and then yeah, we'll say our goodbye. So we have arrived into London St Pancras. Sounds like it's ticking over somehow, but it is way too quiet. But no, we have arrived into London St Pancras about 5 minutes behind schedule, but that is fine. That is all fun and dandy. We were on the Pretender Aura, the all purple. But yeah, we've arrived here now. It's off to my customer, because yeah, they're going live tomorrow. So doing a bit of go live support and doing some final checks before they open. But no, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more from the MegaSim. Social media links are in the description, and a few affiliate links if you want to help support the channel. Become a member. Join up to Optimus Energy. Hey, I've had one guy got 50 quid out of that, and so did they. So yeah, all fun and games. I will see you on the next one. This is MegaSim out of here. See you soon, guys. Bye.